Hey guys, today I have some exciting news to share with you. Envato Elements now offers free 7-day trials. Yes, it's finally available. What this means is that you can get free access to thousands of professional assets for your creative projects. I'm sure you'll find something useful there. You can give it a shot, you don't have to pay anything, and if you don't like it, you can just cancel it. So let me quickly show you what Envato Elements has to offer. There are awesome After Effects and Premiere Pro templates, VFX assets, graphic templates, flow charts and motion graphics, as well as intros, transitions and much more. I use their music regularly and I have to say they have some great tracks there. Various genres, styles, moods, even vocal songs, basically anything you could be looking for. Apart from that, you can get unique fonts, web designs and even these 3D models that you can rotate around to get a desired angle and then just download it. Everything looks professional and can highly elevate the production quality of your content. If you are a filmmaker, having a creative subscription like this and the opportunity to use such a huge library can be extremely beneficial for you. Even after those 7 days, the price is very affordable. I personally think that the value you get for the money is really worth it. Just imagine you are getting unlimited downloads for less than 15 euros per month. Another huge advantage is that you can cancel the subscription anytime and everything you have downloaded before will be covered. If you find out that this isn't something for you, you have to cancel the subscription before the 7-day trial ends and you won't be charged anything. Also keep in mind that not every country is eligible. That means the free trials may not be available in your country yet, so just check the link below and see. It's being rolled out gradually. If you can only afford one subscription, Envato Elements is a great choice considering all the stuff you get there. So make sure to check the link down in the description below. I hope you found this useful and I'll see you in the next video.